Oh my god.
The whole shook.
Yeah?
Yeah, but two times is good. Well, that'll do it.
Guys, I got a like challenge for you, and this is one I don't want you to actually do, but if you do, I have to do it.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
I like to help people, so this horn right here, it's a huge ship horn. 15,000 likes, and I will use it as an alarm clock for all my neighbors.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Everybody calm down.
I don't want them to wake up late for work. I'm just looking at. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have a fun one here, clearly. This is the most anticipated video I think on my channel ever. I'm an idiot and I said get 20,000 likes, I'll let that big ship horn rip in my neighborhood. Of course, it hit 20K pretty easy, and this is the video for it. So hope you guys enjoy this video. We got to do a few things. We got to go run and get the electric motor real quick for this horn. It just got done, and then we got to come back, start assembling, and it's ready to go. You guys do not want to miss this. I know for a fact it's going to be ridiculous. It's gonna be ridiculous. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. Oh, there's another YouTuber trying to get views, trying to provoke their neighbors so to get a lot of likes and views. This has been ongoing for about a year and a half now. These neighbors, not all of them, but a select few, have been a real nightmare for a lot of people in this neighborhood. Call sheriff on me for playing basketball, calling sheriff on my brother for playing basketball, calling security because my truck's tires was touching my own lawn, because my square body was out in the cul-de-sac for 30 minutes, saying my truck's too loud at idle, this and that. So it's been a real pain, and this is not a part of my nature to like retaliate, I guess you could say. But it's become harassment at this point, and of course I'm not gonna get physical with them. I'm not gonna get the law involved. So why don't we just have a little bit of fun and kind of just, I guess you could say, fire off a warning shot with a ship horn off a 1,000-foot like aircraft carrier. Yeah, it's fun. I'm not hurting anyone. They're gonna know loud when they hear it. $450. Looks basically brand new. Alright guys, so before we get into this, I want to show you my brand here. If you guys haven't seen it, Stay Focused Apparel. If you want something, you gotta stay focused. Find your passion, focus on it, and you will achieve it. So I wanted to create a brand that's pretty motivating and universal for basically anyone. So go check it out. These are my hats. I got these hats, and I got a gray and black hat, and then I also got t-shirts, hoodies, all that as well. Link is in the description, stayfocusedapparel.com. All right, guys, we are about to move the whole horn platform over to my parents', which is right over there. It's like 20 feet away. So I'm gonna move the ZR1 out of the way real quick. We are moments away. All right, guys. Oh my God. There it is. You got it? Time to let it rip. Pretty nervous, actually. All right, boys, I know you're ready for this. I'm just looking out. I want to make sure everyone's up and around for work. So let's let this thing rip. All right, guys, here we go. Oh my God. My God. My heart's freaking racing right now. Oh my Lord, that was loud.
That was nuts. The whole house shook.
Mission trips, turns.
No.
This is where she should have been
The
living.
whole house shook.
Oh my Lord.
Gonna be here.
Sorry, I was just doing some testing.
That whole house shook.
Yeah?
Yeah, but two times is good. I'm surprised nobody's come yet.
Yeah, well, it's a matter of time. Mom, I just don't want people getting up late for work.
Well, that'll do it.
So,
They probably heard you in the other neighborhood.
yeah, well, they need to be sending me thank you cards. Okay, guys, so I want to do a quick shout out to American Rotary. American Rotary specializes in rotary phase converters. So that's exactly what this is. This is like a more mobile unit. Most of the ones you see are stationary. Those, you just leave them there. They're for shops and stuff like that. The reason I love this one is it's mobile, so I can just roll it anywhere around the shop if I need it. You know, I don't have to wire in I don't have to wire in 3-phase throughout the whole shop. I can just plug this in. I got it wired to a 6-50 plug for a 50 amp service, 250 volt. And so it takes single phase power, has a big idler motor right there, and it turns it into 3-phase power, which is used to run this big sucker. As you guys just heard, it powered it just fine. The whole county heard it. So super high end. I'll put the link to them in the description. This will be the unit that's also going into my shop once I build it here shortly, and it's going to power a lot of my stuff. Huge shout out to American Rotary. You guys made this video possible. The static phase converter I bought off eBay wasn't enough. Wasn't strong enough. You lose a third of your power. This one you don't lose any power. Big shout out to American Rotary. Thank you guys so much. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. This bad boy. So that was one of the loudest things I've ever heard in my life. Actually, it was the loudest thing, and not just loud. You literally felt it. My mom said you could hear like the glass rattling in the cupboards. So ridiculously powerful that, I mean, you can tell it belongs on a 1,000-foot ship. If you guys seen it here, if you've seen it in person, you know it belongs on something like that. You know something of this size can produce that kind of ear-shattering sound. Yeah, I spent a lot of money trying to get this thing working. A lot of research, spent hours and hours and hours trying to figure out a way to make this thing work. And we did it. And once again, I want to say a huge shout out to American Rotary for making it possible. Because without that, I don't know if we could have made this happen. Yes, I did have some backup plans, which I'll get to that here in a little bit, probably in the next video. But we did it. Spent a lot of money on this, guys. Please give this video a like. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm definitely in the hole with this thing, but I had a lot of fun with it. So please give this video a like, and if you enjoyed it, let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys next time.
Bye.